Hi, I am J. Ramnaya, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Guntur Engineering College. In this lecture, we are discussing about the topic Unit 3, Manufacturing Methods of Composites, Composite Materials. Lecture 3, How to Fabricate Composite with the help of Fultrugen method. This is the Fultrugen method schematic diagram. These are the important components of Fultrugen process. In the Fultrugen method, first important component fiber creels, second performer, third one resin integrated systems, fourth one hot dies, fifth one pulling mechanisms, sixth one cut-offs. These are the main important components of Fultrugen method. These are the following steps to fabricate composite material with the help of Fultrugen method. A Fultrugen is a type of continuous automated closed molding composite processing method. The basic mechanism of a Fultrugen system is same as that of the metal extrusion process. The only difference is that the extrusion process, the material is pushed through the die, whereas in pultrugen the material is pulled through the dies. This is the main differences between extrusion and pultrugen. The reinforcement in terms of continuous rowings or fiber mats is unrolled from creel holding, rolls and passes through a resin tank. In resin tank, which contains epoxy or polyester or vinyl ester or polynylar, can be used with any fiber. Fibers are dipped thoroughly to get completely wetted fibers. Now, these region situated fibers are gained to the hot 8 die where the desired profile is given to these region integrated fibers with the help of dies. Curing of the composite also takes place in this section due to heating. Now, the cured composite profiles is pulled with the help of gripper coming from the hot dies. Finally, pultruded profiles are cut with the help of cutter saw, which is inbuilt after the pulling mechanism in the Fultrugen system. Actually, this is the schematic diagram about the Fultrugen system. Already discussed. What are the components in the Fultrugen system? Already discussed. What are the advantages in the Fultrugen system? This is a low cost automated system advantage. The process is situated for mass production. The process is fast and economic. Resin content can be accurately controlled. Fiber cost is minimized as it can be taken directly from a creel. The surface finish of the product is good. These are the important advantages of Fultrugen. What are the disadvantages? Investment is really high. Disadvantage limited to constant or near constant cross section components. Products with small cross sections alone can be fabricated. Fiber direction cannot be changed within one layer of winding. These are the main disadvantages of Fultrugen. What are the applications in Fultrugen system? These are very useful to fabricate storage tanks, pipelines, gas cylinders, missile cases, fishing rods, beams and girders used in roof structures, bridges, ladders, rocket motor cases, aircraft fuselage. These are the main applications of Fultronian system. Thank you, one and all.